Yo, morning, good morning, good morning. Today's Tuesday. Time right now is 7:41. Yeah, woke up a little bit early today due to the fact that I had went to sleep a lot earlier because I was tired yesterday. I was tired. And yeah, so it's 7:41 right now. I got my coffee right here. I'm just to show you guys real quick. My coffee right here, oatmeal right here, and yeah, still. So we're doing pretty good right now, showing up every single day. Well, it's only been one day, but still. And I'm doing pretty good. Showed up yesterday for AM and PM, and I showed up a little bit later for PM yesterday. And I did 25 push-ups because I showed up late, because you never know, I could have missed the setup because I had showed up late and everything. So yeah, I did 25 push-ups because of that. I am back at it again today to trade again. And yeah, I don't want to let off the gas. Year's almost done. Q4 right now. Got to press the gas a little bit more. So I need to understand how the strategy works and master and everything. Because my mentor will always be around, and he's actually planning on finishing his mentorship very soon. So yeah, I need to actually lock in and get the information that I need to get from him before he leaves. And now I'm stuck still. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this food. I'm gonna chill until AM session. Well, pre-market AM session, because he's telling me I'll trade PM pre-market session. But if I said it does occur and it does show itself, then take it. But he's saying, but it's kind of best to stay for AM session and PM session only. But we're gonna see how it goes though. If I see it set up for pre-market and it's really really good and it has everything I need to see, then at least I can take it. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys soon for the trading for today. I don't know if you have any news. I'll show you guys very soon though. Yeah. Alright, so we have we don't know about this one, but we have Joel's job openings at 10 a.m. So that's about it. That is about it, because this may not happen still. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna come back for 8 o'clock and see what going. Alright, so for this trade, what I was saying was that we had nice expensive for this 5 minute fair value gap at price, which all from high time frame was also bullish. On a daily we were bullish, 4 hour we were moving bullish. Also had this 2 hour BOS right here. We also had a nice 1 hour BOS right here. We are trading instead of a 1 hour bullish for value gap. But what I don't like is that that's okay, I stopped pressing me out. What I don't like is that we have this 1 hour fair value gap right here that's unmitigated. That's what I don't like that whatsoever. I hate that we have that 1 hour unmitigated fair value gap right there. But other than that, I like everything else. Everything else is really, really nice. And also we don't have a 5 minute BOS because there was nothing to take out. Like, there was no 5 minute fair value gap for VIP price to take out. And we do have a 3 minute fair value gap right here that I am going to be using as my break even point, because price has tapped into that 3 minute before and returned went lower. But the reason that I did this trade because as I said before, that's a measly 3 minute. The high time frame is extremely bullish on all time frames. And all time frames are going bullish. I'm not worrying about what's happening here right now. I'm seeing this 2 hour BOS right here, a 1 hour BOS, and so forth. And even on the lower time frames, we don't have any low time frames bearish BOSs as well. So me seeing that, I'm like, oh my god, this is so perfect. And also another thing we have is that we have previously a high above a London high and another London high here as well. We also do have a 4 hour BOS right here that I don't like. We have a 4 hour BOS, so before price taps into that 4 hour BOS, I'm gonna go break even before that point still. So that's why I like this trade, and I think this is a pretty good trade. As I said before, the only reason I price to maybe go lower is because we have some 5 minutes here. We also have a 30 minute below as well, and things like that. But I feel like where price is at right now, price is still maybe even go a little bit higher, tap into them, get those liquidity levels up here, and maybe go lower. But yeah, that's why I like this trade. Let's see what happens. But yeah, this is excuse me, this is my break-even point right here. Oh, another thing that I also seen was that we were also trading inside this 15-minute fair value gap as well, and price was showing extremely strong rejection from that 15-minute fair value gap as well. So me seeing that, I'm like, oh my god, this is really, really nice. Before I go up break even, I want to see price close above this swing high. Because if price doesn't close above this swing high, this doesn't show proper reversal. I'm gonna see price close above this swing high first, and as soon as I see price close above this swing high, I'm gonna go break even. I don't want to see price just tap the swing high. I'm gonna see price close above it first, just to show me that okay, price definitely wants to go higher. Let me see price close above it first. Okay, price closed above it now, so now I'm gonna go break even. Break even right here, confirm, and let me see that 3-minute got disrespected. I didn't get disrespected yet. Let's see if it gets disrespected soon though. I need to see price disrespect that 3-minute before I even take this trade. I need to see price disrespect that 3-minute. This 4-hour order block in a way is kind of like messing me up as well, but I know that price is also bullish. So I'm like, okay, I'm always going to be like pay attention to it being there, but I'm not going to be so hard stuck on it. Okay, that 3-minute got disrespected now. That's a good thing right there. Yeah, that 4-hour order block being in the way is the only thing right now. It's the only thing I'm worried about right now. That is a 4-hour order block, and the 4-hour order block I'm talking about is this one right here. This 4-hour where is it right here? This 4-hour order block right here. But there's so much draws higher, but there's still a 30-minute right here and the 4-hour order block that price could still return from. Let's see what happens though. That break-even caught me a little bit. It's okay though. It's a break-even trade, so it'll have to do for now. So, okay. Let's see. Okay. Break-even trades. Okay, it happens sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna journal this real quickly, and I'm gonna send this video to my mentor to see what he shares about it and what he thinks about it. So let me just go edit this real quick, send it to him, I'll come back. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, okay, I'm back. I am back. Okay. The price average to those, I'm gonna get for value to low now. Okay, it's not bad. That is not bad. Now I'm just waiting for AM session to open for me to take a trade still. Well, wait a minute before that though, is there even probably 5 minutes in a way is more right there. Can't take the trade no more. 5 minutes in a way up the trade. I don't like that because there are 5 minutes in the way we trade. This 5 minute right here, get this 50 before we take your trade still. So that 5 minute get disrespected before even taking the trade. This is a good trade as well. Like, why wouldn't this be a good trade? Although we didn't tap into that 15-minute order block, that 30-minute got disrespected hard, bro. Like, what? I don't even think we got an A+ rate. We didn't get an A+. We got an A+ rate too. And that 5 minute got a 5-minute disrespect. Come on, I need to see that 5-minute right here get disrespected. I need to see that 5-minute right there get disrespected. Please do not tap into this 5-minute right here. Ooh, I also want to see this 5-minute VI. I get it right here get disrespected too before the result. Oh my gosh. That's some strong displacement because that AM just opened, bro. That's some strong displacement, bro. Let me see. I'm gonna see that 5 minute get disrespected before anything. Still, I am not gonna lie to you. I need to see that 5 minute get disrespected before anything. I need to see that 5 minute get disrespected before anything. That intermediate high now turns into a market future shift. 3 minute. I think I'm gonna go with that 3 minute instead of that 1 minute still. That 1 minute kind of like it's kind of like not choppy, just looks as clean as a 3 minute. So I'm gonna go with that 3 minute instead. That 5 minute got tapped into above. Ooh. I hate how that 5 minute above got tapped into. I'm not gonna lie to you still. I hate how it got tapped into. I don't think I'm gonna take this trade no more still. The fact that 5 minute got tapped into, bro, but we have so much LR above, so we have so much LR above. That 5 minute getting tapped into, no, I can't take the trade still. That 5 minute getting tapped into, plus that 5 minute VI getting respected as well. Yeah, but I can't take this trade still. I cannot take this trade at all. Yes, this wouldn't be a good trade at all. That bearish 5 minute VI getting respected. That 5 minute, that bearish 5 minute right here getting. Oh wait. Okay, that's displacement now. Okay, but I want to see if I return now though. And we need to see. Okay, we're pushing. That displacement is strong as heck. That is some strong displacement, my guy. That is some strong displacement. That 5 minute right there though. So that we don't have 5 minute confirmation yet. Oh, that's some strong displacement. Oh my gosh, wow, this crazy. Price is just gonna run through all of this and just top my potential TPA. Yes it is. Yes it is. Yes there is. Bro, there's actually no way. So yeah, again, my draw was not wrong at the beginning of the trade. My draw was not wrong. It's just that there's no volatility in the market yet. Like volatility just came. Like volatility was so good, and the volatility just died the heck down when I entered the trade, though. The rough 5 minute BOS right here, though. Where is it? Much of them. Okay, there it is. Nice 5 minute BOS right here. There's 5 minute BOS. My night's a hotel yet. Not right. For me to take an 8+ trade right now. For me to take not an 8+. I'm gonna say 8 grade. For me to take an 8 grade trade right now, I would love to see price sweep out this intermediate low right here inside of this 3-minute fair value gap. And then once I see price take a sweep out this intermediate low, tap into this 5-minute fair value gap right here, targeting maybe. Because we have a 5 minute, I'm gonna get a VI right here. So I can say that 5 minute, I'm gonna get a VI, or that I'm gonna get a 3 minute right here. Yeah, it's a nice 5 minute, I'm gonna get a VI right here. Still, I'm not gonna lie. So this will be a nice target as well. Still, so yeah, I'm not gonna lie. But that's what I want to see right now, though. I want to see price come and tap into this fair value gap right here, though. Still. Have nice rejection from that 5 minute order block as well. Ooh, that's a nice rejection from that 5 minute order block. I'm not gonna lie to you, still, it's very nice. But when I see what happens, I'm not gonna lie. See what happens. Let's go wait and see what happens. Alright, we're back for PM session now. Right on time. Timer now is 1:24. Yeah. Oh, that's that daily too. Let's look at that daily, eh? Moving bearish. Okay. Moving bearish. Up top here. So it's 4 hour right here. There's 4 hour for value gap right here. Yep, still. I'm not. I mean bullish, not bearish. Still moving bullish. Bullish 2 hour right here. What the heck? Yeah, boss. Yeah.
That is it, bro. Bro, there, bro. At least I get break. It's of course. I see how it play out.
Yeah.
It's just that, I'm proud, bro. Let me just go on computer that. It's not a winning trade, but it's a winning trade in my head, bro. Because
Yeah.
you're break even, bro. And then after break even, it's just profit, bro.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna look at the rest of the team and then go up on set.
Alright, send them my boss. Yeah, I'm already on for PM bro.
Yeah. Go one second. Let's
Alright.
go on computer. Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so what I'm seeing with this one right now, I'm not gonna lie, this is 5 minute get below that price could use as a draw liquidity. This isn't a trade that I would say is a 1 to 2, but this is a really good trade. The market should shift right here, raid right here. We don't have an A plus raid. We have one right here, but I would have rather seen it be like up here. We have displacement from this 5 minute fair value gap right here. What I'm also seeing is that there's no other draws higher. Like there's no other imbalances higher. We do have a 3 minute right here, but that's still a lot higher. If price wants to go higher, price would have to go tap into that 5 minute immediate below before going higher. Also, we are trading instead of a 4 hour bearish fair value gap right here, a 4 hour inverse fair value gap that had gotten respected multiple times prior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, multiple times prior, and I'm pretty sure there's also a 2 hour there. Yep, the 2 hour got respected multiple times, not multiple times, but like one time here as well, signaling to me price does not want to go higher. So me seeing all these things, I'm like, okay, price definitely wants to go lower, right? Price definitely wants to go lower, but a high time frame, the daily high time frame is bullish, right? Because we are delivering from this daily bullish fair value gap right here, but we also have a lot of draws lower that price could want to target. We have a lot of draws lower still. So me seeing all this, I'm like, okay, price definitely wants to go lower, right? Price definitely wants to go lower. And that's why I took this trade. Yeah, so let's see if it plays out. My break even is gonna be right. Okay. Me waiting for this to get broken below or close below, and then I'm gonna go break even right there. I would want a 1 to 2, but I'm not gonna force it. If I get to 1 to 1.6, then I'm okay with this. So I want to target that 5 minute mitigate, because price is still go tap into it a little bit and then go higher. So I'm okay getting that 1 to 1.6 just in case, because you never know what could happen. So as soon as price closes below this swing low right here, I'm gonna go break even right there. So yeah, so let's see what happens. As soon as price closes below this low right here, break even. And then yeah, still targeting this 5-minute unmitigated right here. We also have an intermediate low right here. This 3-minute intermediate low right here. That price will also on the target as well. So we have multiple draws lower. For now, I can get out. But yeah, we do the 3-minute intermediate low right here. That price going to target as well. That's close to the 5-minute unmitigated low as well. So we see all this, I'm like, okay, price definitely wants to go lower. Okay, price didn't close below that swing low yet, so it's kind of iffy, because if price didn't close below that swing low, it kind of tells us that price still isn't to go low yet. But it may take some time because we are in PM session. And since we're in PM session, you know, price does go a lot slower than AM. So yeah, I'm going to wait for it and see what happens. So that draw right here, this is a pretty good draw. I mean, even if price retraces, price could just retrace to go lower. Price is getting more momentum to go lower, so I'm not really worried about that too much. I am not really worried about that too much. So also, we don't have any other fair value gaps or VIs in the way of trade. So me seeing that, like, okay, price definitely wants to go lower. Price does want to go lower. So that's a near strong liquidity, right? So me seeing that, like, okay, price definitely wants to go lower. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for price to come out of here, and then yeah, if prices go higher though, I actually don't know why we want to go higher. And yeah, so I'm just wait, stay calm, stay patient, and see what happens. So. Yeah, no, like, because of PM session, bro, yeah, like the volatility is a lot slower still. A lot slower. But oh, my phone's on 5%. A lot slower. So then it's a good trade though. So what would give price a reason to go higher than to go lower? Because this liquidity level already has gotten taken out. I don't care, bro. This is a great trade. That displacement is so fudgy strong. That displacement is beautiful. That is beautiful displacement from this 5-minute fair value gap right here. And we don't have any unmitigated fair value gaps above. So me seeing that, I'm like, bro, what? That's a beautiful trade. But the thing is with this trade though, because New York lunch low already got taken out, right? And me seeing New York lunch low get taken out, I'm seeing that, okay, that means price going to go, but price has to tap into this one first before going higher. So me seeing that, I'm like, okay, price has to go low first. Oh, okay, it's bringing out. Never mind. I'm speaking kind of fast right now, my bad. But yeah, price has to go low first before going higher. It has to still. Because if price, oh, yeah, no! Woo! Let's go! What a banger trade! Let's go! Banger trade right there, bro. Banger trade. Oh my gosh. W's in the chat! W's in the chat! Let's go, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's a great trade right there, bro. That right there is a great trade. I can't even go break even because this price is getting built. But yeah, that's a great trade right there. It's not a 1 to 2 or nothing, bro, but I am okay with that 1 to 1.65. I am okay with it. I do not care. I am okay with it. I am okay with it. Because prices are just tapped into this 5-minute right here. It came boop, higher still. Yeah, still, I am okay with this trade. For sure. At the same time, though, we did have a 3-minute right here that's pretty large. Now, I seen the 3-minute. It is pretty large, but nah. That intermediate low right here that lines up with the 5-minute unmitigated fair value gap, bro. We seen that like, nah, bro. You know what? Let me just keep it right there. Because at the same time, bro, that standard deviation that also telling me that price will tap right here and go higher. So me just putting it right here is like being a little bit safer still. So I'm okay with it being there. I'm not gonna lie. I'm okay with it being there. I'm gonna journal this real quick and then go back to trading. I'm gonna continue trading still. So yeah, let me also send it to my mentor as well. But yeah, let me journal this real quick. See, and just like that, price is respecting that 5-minute. This is why I don't want to go any lower. So this is why I don't want to go any lower. If I had went for that with the 2, right? Let's say right here. Price would have tapped it either way, but still, bro, that 5-minute today respected very heavily still. Very heavily. So I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all. Let's see. Okay, I'm back now. waiting for the video to download real quick. You get into my mental store. Yeah. But now price can. Oh, alright, so what? And now price can definitely go high to target that really much high. I don't think that's a draw yet though, but price can definitely go high to target that really much high. Ooh, this could be a trade as well. I don't want to force it though. This could definitely be a trade as well. But I don't want to force it. I do not want to force it at all. Oh, okay, good. Thank you. Wait. That's the 5. Read right here. 18 away. I can start pricing more higher. Okay, if I wanted to take the trade, I want to see if this 3-minute get disrespected first. If I will you. I want to see that 3-minute get disrespected first before taking the trade. Need to see that 3-minute get disrespected first before taking the trade. Yeah, we do have 5-minute confirmation and everything. This 5-minute right here got disrespected, but I want to see this 3-minute right here. This 3-minute value gap right here, I would love to see us get disrespected first before taking the trade. I would need to see it get disrespected because I had respected it multiple times before. I like disrespecting it now. Although there's nothing in the way how the price is going higher. Yeah, we do have a 3-minute right here actually. We do have a 3-minute VI and everything. But that could just be used as a draw, or could be as well. Targeting even this intermediate high right here. But I would need to see price. I would need to see price to get that 3-minute first before anything still. I would need to, but this wouldn't be a bad trade though. Okay, let me go set this in my mentor real quick to come back. Hold on. Now, I need to see this 5-minute get disrespected and price return vintage. This 5-minute right here to just half price or lower. Plus, it's just 15-minute VOS right here. So, I would definitely need to see that 5-minute get disrespected first. Now, when I see that 5-minute get disrespected, then I'll take a trade. Other than that, I can't take a trade. So, 5-minute get disrespected is a must. It's actually a must. That 5-minute has to get disrespected first for me to be able to take the trade still. Price may even just tap into it right now or just like leave me, but I would have to wait for price to take that to disrespect that 5-minute before anything still. I can't just take the 5-minute. I can't just take this shade because your lunch is there without this 5-minute right here getting disrespected because price is just coming to it. And I think price will go higher, but actually respect it still, so I have to wait for it still. I would actually have to wait for it to get disrespected first. I'm gonna come back in like 5 minutes to tell you what wants still. But I'm gonna have a buy right here. Like I would have to, but I can't take this trade without that 5-minute getting disrespected. I can't still. I can't. Iron Price had already taken out all the unmitigated gas below as well and mitigated them. So this wouldn't be bad at all still. Actually, this one I'm bad on. And I didn't even see this prior, but we have a 5-minute order block here as well still. 5-minute order block here as well. Let me mark it out. So it was just here is a 5-minute order block that I priced did disrespect before. And 5-minute order block that I priced did respect as well. So this 5-minute order block was really nice as well. I think Price will tap it and not fill me into the trade, so I don't know why. I think Price will tap it and not fill me into the trade, but at the same time, Price could still use this 5-minute right here as fuel to go higher, tap that New York lunch higher still. But I'm gonna see what happens. Yeah, I would absolutely love for Price to just come tap into this. Come respect this 5-minute right here, go back lower, tap into this 5-minute right here, go higher to get to that New York lunch high still. I would absolutely love it still. But if Price does take this New York lunch high without taking me into the trade, I wouldn't mind either. That just tells me I was right. That just tells me my bias for this trade was right still. And I'm okay with that. A little bit serious now because this trade may play out sooner than we think. So 5-minute has to get disrespected. So and then I don't want to, as soon as Price disrespects it, I want to see Price come back, tap into this 3-minute right here. This 5-minute, I'm going to get it right here to that bring Price high to take it out here much high. Come on, say Price is so disrespected. But yeah, this is an unmitigated 5-minute. That's even better. Price, you use this 5-minute here as fuel to go higher, take out the fuel much high. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I didn't mark my videos. So. And that 5-minute is again disrespected here. Doesn't seem like it. Does not seem like it. So we still have 5-minute unmitigated here though. So if a trade does happen, I'm gonna let you guys know, but I'm gonna go chill for right now. So yeah, basically I'm done. I'm done for today. I am done for today. But if I do see a trade, like this 5-minute trade right here, if I do see it, I'm gonna record again and show you guys. But for right now, I'm done still. So let's see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so I'm in on this trade right now. The 5-minute they get tapped into. Finally, and we have New York lunch high right here. My SL right here, because we do have some unmitigated fair value gaps here. We have the 1-minute here, so we do have some unmitigated fair value gaps here that price may want to tap into before going higher. But I'm do seeing that the 5-minute deal was a 5-minute market shift. 5-minute even market shift and market shift here as well. We're not trading inside of any high time frame fair value gaps, and we're also seeing that we also have a 5-minute order block right here that price did escape from. I did see price escape from this 5-minute order block right here. We do have an A+ rating lower. Let me go to the lower time frame so you can see it. Yeah, we do have an A+ rate right here. We do have the 5-minute fair value gap right here that price did displace out of on the 5-minute time frame. And yeah, we have that New York lunch high that I know price wants to take, because price did try getting it before, but the reason that price didn't take it out before was because we had this 5-minute fair value gap right here that was in the way of that trade, right? And I seen that price. I was waiting for price to take out this 5-minute fair value gap, and price did take out that 5-minute fair value gap, right? And when I seen price take out that 5-minute fair value gap, I was waiting for price to return into this 5-minute fair value gap right here, into this displacement fair value gap right here, to then take price higher to target this New York lunch high right here for a 1 to 1.58. So this is the reason I did this trade. Also, another thing that I see now, price did take out all the liquidity lower, so we no longer have any unmitigated fair value gaps lower and everything. Everything here got lower, so the only drawn liquidity that we have now is higher, which will be New York lunch high, and that's the reason that I took this trade. For my break even, I don't really have a break even point right now, because all the liquidity to the left of us already got taken out, and on a 5 minute time frame, is like this is the highest point that we have. So I don't have any break even points, if I'm being honest. We do have a 3 minute fair value gap in the way of the trade, which I do not like, to be honest. I don't like how we have a 3 minute fair value gap in the way of the trade right here. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna have to wait for this trade to play on and see what happens. So yeah, that's why I took this trade. We'll see how it plays out. See how it plays out. I don't want to how deep this return is. I don't like how deep the return is. Return was supposed to be like here and then go higher, but I still think that this isn't a bad trade because that's a really strong drawn liquidity. This VR lunch high right here is a really strong liquidity, but at the same time I don't like how deep this return is into our 5 minute fair value gap still. And it's not even showing rejection, it's just showing strong wicks, and I don't like that whatsoever still. I really don't like that. Well, let's see how it goes. I did de-risk a little bit, 124 because we are in PM and PM is about to close very soon. Yeah, I don't think this is a bad trade whatsoever. I do not think this is a bad trade. The displacement, everything was so good. It's like, oh my gosh, like price has to go higher for this trade. So I don't think this is a bad trade. I don't think this is a bad trade whatsoever. So I didn't even realize we were also trading instead of this 15 minute fair value gap as well. This 15 minute. So I think that's could be a reason why price wanted to go lower, to tap into this 15 minute bullish. But if this 15 minute bullish gets disrespected, then we know that price definitely wants to go lower still. And remember, on a higher time frames, we're also so bullish here. We're so bullish on the high time frames and everything, but we are trading 10 minutes 4-hour periods right here. But I feel like since we're still bullish on the high time frames, price can still want to go higher still. Let's see what happens. I could get stopped out here. I think I'm gonna get stopped out here though still. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. I'm not gonna move my stop loss or anything. If I get stopped out, it happens to the best of us. But that 15 minute has to save us. This 15 minute fair value gap right here has to save us for price to go higher. So I'm not gonna lie. I don't think it will though. Me personally, I don't think it will. This return is so deep. This is a really, really deep return. I hate how deep it is. I actually hate how deep this return is, man. How deep this return is. Let's see what happens though. But I still hate how deep the return is, bro. It's really, really, really deep return. Really deep return, bro. Let's see what happens. This is a bad trade. I don't think this is a bad trade at all. Let's see. Now, we are trading inside of a 4-hour BOS though. That I do see. That's what we do see. I can mess this up. Yeah, I can mess this up a lot still. So I think that's the reason we lost still. We're trading inside of a 4-hour BOS still. Okay, I'm still journaling and everything, and yeah. But I think that's the reason we lost still, because we are trading inside of a 4-hour BOS. This 4-hour BOS right here. 4-hour order block, my bad. A 4-hour order block right here. So I think that's the reason that this trade lost still. Yeah, I think that's the reason it lost still. Order block right there. I was expecting it looking, but that order block is pretty high up though. I think that's right, yeah. I think that is why this trade lost. So that order block may have messed me up a little bit. So may have messed me up a little bit. One, two, 3. Okay, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna journal this shit real quickly and then come back and come back for tomorrow still. I'm gonna also take to my bench as well.